Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to do a section called Divide with Whole and Mixed Numbers. Okay, so I got a couple examples up here for you. Let's go ahead and dive into it. All right, remember, there is no such thing as dividing fractions. Okay, however, there is such thing as the reciprocal rule, which is we're going to flip the second fraction, and then we're going to multiply the entire problem. Okay, so this is how we're going to do it. Remember, all numbers are over 1, all numbers are decimals. Okay, so just because it says 9 here, that doesn't mean it's really 9 over 1. Okay, so next, we're going to attack this fraction. We're going to flip it around. Okay, so we're going to rewrite our problem. Well, it's going to be 9 over 1. Okay, now once we use the reciprocal rule where we flip the fraction, we're also going to change the operation. So instead of division, it's going to be multiplication. All right, so we'll have 7 over 4 now. Okay, next, we're going to look if we can cross cancel. Can we cross cancel anything? No. So therefore, we then just multiply straight across. And this is now multiply here, and which will give us 63 over 4. Okay, now, can we simplify? No. However, we can never have an improper fraction. Okay, so therefore, 4 goes into 63 15 times before going over, and we are left with 3. And our answer is 15 and 3 over 4. Okay. Next problem. Now we have two sets of mixed numbers. What we need to do here is we need to change these mixed numbers into improper fractions. Okay. So how we do that? We multiply the denominator by the whole number, and then we're going to get whatever that answer is and add it to the numerator. Okay. Same thing on this side. All right, which is we should have, our new fraction should be now 63 over 8. And remember, we're going to keep the denominator number. Okay, and how I got a 63 is because I went 8 times 7, which is 56, and then 56, I'll draw it right nice and small right here, plus 7 equals 63. So same thing here, 3 times 2, we got 6, plus 1 is 7 over 2. Now, don't jump ahead of yourself. You got to keep this operation. This is important. Okay? You got to keep that operation so we can use the reciprocal rule. All right? So now, with our change of operation to multiplication, we then keep this one. This one stays the same. Okay, it's always the second fraction. However, we need to change this one. So instead of 7 over 2, it's now going to be 2 over 7. Okay? Once again, can we cross multiply? This time, yes. We can cross multiply on both of them. Okay? Because 7 goes into 63, and then 2 goes into 8. Okay? Which is now, once we cut it all down, okay, this is now 1, 1, and we have a 9 over here, and we have a 4 right here, okay, because 7 goes into 63 9 times, and 2 goes into 4 times. Our new answer is going to be now 9 over 4, because when I multiply across, this is what I get. However, once again, we cannot have a mixed number, an improper fraction, so we're going to turn it into a mixed number. 4 goes into 9 2 times without going over, which leaves us 1 over 4, and our answer is 2 and 1 over 4. And that's how we attack divide with whole and mixed numbers.